So since starting the trading field, my trading has just skyrocketed, and I've been profitable for quite a few months now, and it's a life changer, honestly. Yeah guys, I'm Jordan. I've been a part of the trading field for just about 4 or 5 months now. I've been a part of their course in Signals. Signals a little bit longer, but I've recently joined the course about 5 months ago, and I've started taking trading into my own hands and started seeing some really good results. It's just a group that's dedicated to helping people succeed in Forex trading, from either complete newbies like me or some people with a little bit of experience as well. But for my case, I had no experience whatsoever. I dabbled a little bit in crypto, but I had no experience on what a chart was, what pips were, or any of the terminology that is vital for trading. What I like best about the trading field is the dedicated support that they give you. When you're confused, when you don't know what is going on, when you need to ask questions, whether that's with analysis or just general questions, the support that they give is absolutely unmatched. I've been in a few different groups before because I've been trying so hard to make it work, and when there's no communication there is no way you're going to succeed, because in every course that you take, you're always going to have questions. You've got the group chat, which is what I'll explain in a little bit, which is probably one of my favourite things. You've got obviously the owners who give you voice notes, not just giving you a short reply. They go in fully detailed while still keeping it simple for you to understand. So since I started trading on my own, I was constantly losing money, which is what a lot of people don't want to do, and it's what a lot of people it's what scares a lot of people away from the trading industry. Everyone sees the big wins, but obviously there are losses that come, and unfortunately before I got involved in the trading field, I was constantly losing money. But since I started to improve with not only my technical analysis, but my whole psychology behind trading. I learned how to master discipline, I learned how to be patient, and I learned how to spot opportunities that come to me and not try and jump into opportunities. So since starting the trading field, my trading has just skyrocketed, and I've been profitable for quite a few months now, and it's a life changer, honestly. They teach you about trade management, which is about taking profits, moving the stop loss, all sorts like that. And again, it is 100% the communication. I've never seen anything like it before, where you have such an in-depth connection with the owners for them to answer everything that you want. It's amazing, to be honest. With the trading field, whenever I felt a little bit disheartened or negative about some trades that haven't gone well, the amount of motivation they give you is unbelievable. They kick you right back into gear. They get you where you need to be. They teach you about your losses as well, and they tell you how to improve on your losses. You're added to a group that is full of like-minded traders like you, from beginners to advanced. If the owners aren't there to answer your questions, I guarantee you there'll be someone in the group who can give you some insight. If you post your analysis in there, they tell you what they think, how they may think it might be different. So the communication is always there. You're never ever unheard in the trading field, whether that's from the owners or other like-minded members. So if I could briefly sum up my journey with the trading field, like I've said before, it is a life changer. I'll show you some screenshots of some of the trades that I've been making in the past couple of weeks. One included an 18 risk reward, which I didn't even dream of making. It was absolutely amazing when I saw it. But briefly to sum up my journey, it's just really begun really. So far I'm just taking the steps to gradually increase my skill set. and I can just see many more years with the trading field advancing. My goal with the trading field in the long run, which is another great thing that I love that they try and push onto you, is getting to a prop funded account. There are members who have already got hold of these accounts, so you know it is possible. But my goal is to make this full time, and I do believe the trading field will help me every step of the way.